everyone. Today I have somebody super special. Snowy is one of my clients. Her mom's my client and her little brother. Anyway, super fun family. I just love them. She is super darling, super friendly. Yes, she has lots of friends. Anyway, she is a super fun girl. Gorgeous hair. She has absolutely gorgeous hair. It almost looks like we highlight it, but that's just natural. So she's lucky. I'm going to show you how to, so many moms at home want to just cut their daughter's hair to keep it nice and healthy. So I wanted to do a video on Snowy. We are gonna take 2 to 3 inches off the bottom so it can just be nice, straight, thick, and take those ends off. And then it also grows better when you do that. So I love to see it. You can do it wet, you can do it dry. I'm gonna show you dry. A lot of moms at home like to do it dry. So anyway, that's why I'm choosing to do it dry. What we are going to do is I'm going to have her put her head down, her chin down. Okay. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to come up and we're just going to go, that there is about 2.5 inches. So just kind of in between. Okay, and you can see right here, see how it's endy a little bit here and how nice and straight and thick that is. Okay, so again, I'm just holding that straight down. I do like to hold the hair with my comb, but I don't push down on the comb because if you pull straight down on the comb hard, then you lift up, then it's going to bounce up, so it will be uneven. Snowy is very, very lucky. She has super thick, gorgeous hair. Okay, so we're just making sure this is all even. She's doing awesome at keeping her head down. Just make sure they keep their head down. She is doing great at that. Okay, I'm gonna turn right there. Good job. Again, I'm just holding her shirt out of the way, my finger. Coming straight across. Okay, I'm going to hold this down. We're going to take a little bit more off of this end. Okay, hold it down, make sure it's even. See, you can already see how nice and thick that looks right here. All right, now I'm gonna turn her to the side. Good job, girl. Okay, we're gonna tilt. We're gonna bring this length back. Gonna bring this length. Come straight over. Okay, I'm gonna tilt her head. The reason we wanna tilt that head is we need this length over here. If you don't tilt the head, and say it's turned more towards, you, if her head is tilted this way and you cut it and you lift her head, it's gonna be way short on that front. So make sure that it stays tilted. Again, we're coming up here on the front. I'm gonna turn, good job, tilt. Okay, now I'm gonna lift up and come straight across. So see, then that comes straight right there. So cute. Ooh, feel how soft, feel that. So, does that feel good? Okay, sweet. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tilt this way. Take this length right here. and then this way. Good job. Okay, and then I'm gonna make sure that our head is straight as we bring this forward and come straight across. Just take this front off. I'm gonna come on this side. I just don't want, just make sure her head is tilted even. Just don't want to get her shirt. Okay, then we're gonna turn, gonna double check and make sure her head is even. Good job. This girl is a dancer, aren't you?
Yeah.
She loves dance. Okay, we're gonna take a tiny bit off of this side. I'm gonna tilt a tiny bit. Little bit more. Yep, she is good. She does solos, all the things. Okay, just coming back to the back. Okay, now I'm gonna turn her back around. Okay, look down just a little bit for me. Okay. Okay, now you can see how thick that is. I am gonna just turn this hair under a tiny bit. I did like it just really, really straight just to cut it. And now I'm just taking the ends with the flat iron and barely rounding the ends. Okay, so pretty. Okay, just gonna have you turn just so they can see. All right, so that's how you can cut your daughter's hair at home. It looks nice, and this is what I was telling Snowy too, because she loves her long hair. So I said, hey, you're still gonna have long hair, but it's gonna grow faster because you get those little ends off. So anyway, it looks super thick, still looks long. You still have your long hair. Woohoo! Anyway, so thank you, Snowy, for letting us show your haircut. And I hope you guys have a good day, and we will chat with you next time. Thank you.